Hey there, people, how's it going? And today we are going to be talking about the Blueberry Pet Dog Leash. Yes, now this is my Golden Retriever's dog leash. Now, my Golden Retriever is kind of like a large dog, medium size right now, but he's still growing. And this is the dog leash we have for him. Now, this part here latches on to his collar, which has another connector on there. So it has a little latching device here that goes up and down that pretty much stays in place on his collar. You don't have to really worry about the collar ring that this latches onto slipping off. I mean, I had a dog leash before that actually had that similar problem where it had a different connector than this and it slipped right through that little connector piece and my dog ran off. He was playing around and all that, and I had to get him and all that, and it was like a hassle. But yeah, with this one you don't have to worry about. This latches on pretty good and pretty tight. So, yeah, for some reason, okay, this is not his first one by the Blueberry Pet Company. He had a blue one, and for some reason, he bit that one to death. When I would put it on him, he would bite it and chew on it, and I don't know, he was attracted to the color, I think, I'm not sure. But he chewed it up. He really did. I mean, it was really like thrashed for him chewing on it. But I bought these two at the same time, and it was really harsh, the blue one. Something about it just really made him want to chew it. I don't know why. But I stopped using that one, and I attached the red one, and he didn't do it. I don't know, it was something about that blue color that it just made him do that. I don't know, it was weird. But the red one, he did not chew on it. It was just fine. He wasn't attracted to it that way. And it has a woven handle here that is very strong, that won't come off, you see? And you just hold it like this, really tight, you can get it like that, and it's nice. And now it has this shiny coating on there. It's something that's woven into the knitted fabric here that reflects, and that kind of helps me at night, or people seeing me, like if I'm jogging with my dog at nighttime. All the lights and everything that hit the leash makes it a lot easier for people to see me, and it's nice. It's good. I like this leash a lot. It's about 4 feet long and is very strong. Before this, I had a leather leash that I would use, and for some reason my dog would chew on that one too. Maybe that's the reason why he chewed on the blue one, because he was used to chewing on the leather one and he just gave it a shot, but he didn't do it to the red one. After I got rid of the leather one, I got this kind, more of a fabric based material. There was no chewing, and this is very strong. It's about 1 inch across and 4 feet long. So yeah, this works very well, and I like it a lot. This comes in, like I said, there was a blue one, and it comes in several different colors, bunch of different colors you can buy. I usually would prefer to get a black one, but my wife talked me into being a little more colorful, and it's fine. It really is. It's a good leash, and I've used it for probably like about 8 months now, and it works very well. And they're machine washable. When you wash them, you're going to wash it with other clothing or whatever. Wash it with similar clothing that have the similar color. And also, don't put it in the dryer. Just let it lay out to dry. Okay, it works better that way as far as damaging it, you know. All right, well, this is the Blueberry Pet Dog Leash. I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. Okay, bye-bye.